Hey everybody! Today we have the little mini Paw Patrol toys. Here's Ryder and Sky, Rubble, Rocky, Marshall, Chase, and Zuma. And here's Robodog and Tracker. And we're going to do a fun story with them here in a second. The Paw Patrol are going to go to school. We also have the Air Patrol pups. And there's Zuma and Rubble and Marshall. Can't wait to see what these pups are going to do at school. And Chase. But the Air Patrol is cool. We also have the Mission Paw. Mission Paw Chase is ready to go to Barkingburg. There's Zuma and Marshall. Rocky. There you go, Rocky. Rubble. And Sky. So let's go ahead and get to our story. Paw Patrol is on a roll. Pups, I need you here right away. Woof woof. Sky and Chase here. Zuma's ready to dive on in. Rocky and Rubble on the double. Oh, here comes Marshall. Oh, that pup's always knocking people over. Silly pup. Pups, it's time for you guys to go to school. The school bus is here and I need you to load up. Oh, this is the magic school bus. It's really hard to get on. We got kicked off last time. Don't worry. All you have to do is say the magic word, and you can stay on the school bus. Ruff, ruff. We'll give it a try. Load up. Everybody's loading up. First, we've got Marshall and Sky and Chase. Now it's Rubble's turn, Rocky's turn, and Zuma. Now you have to say the magic word to get the school bus to go. But what's the magic word? Maybe it's school time? Oh no! It kicked us off. That's not right. Time to load up again. We're all loaded up. Let's try another magic word. Paw Patrol is on a roll. Oh, that didn't work either. I'm getting tired of getting kicked out of here. Oh, here, Rubble. You guys have to come up with the magic word, or it's going to keep kicking you off. Woof, woof. I know what we need to do. We need to get in our Air Patrol uniforms. That way, we can stay on the bus. We can do this, Paw Patrol. Load up. So they're going to try and load up in their Air Patrol uniforms. You think that'll work? No, it didn't. Keep trying. This is one cranky school bus. It's time to get in our Mission Paw uniforms. Mission Paw, we're on a roll. Let's load up. It won't kick us out when we're in our Mission Paw uniforms. It wouldn't dare. Woof, woof, let's go. Oh, it kicked us out anyhow. What's that magic word? Keep trying, pups. We're not getting back on this bus until we say the magic word. But we don't know the magic word. Rubble, I think I know it. What is it, Sky? Please. We need to say please. My mama always told me that was the magic word. Oh, that makes sense. Let's try it. Load up, pups. Close the back door. Magic school bus, please take us to school. Boom, boom. It worked! We're headed to school. Beep, beep! We're at school. But wait, this isn't our school.
Are you ready to save the day?
Woohoo! It's Ming Ming. We're at the Wonder Pets school. Wonder Pets, we're on our way. Here's Ming Ming and Tuck and Lenny. But what are we doing here? Paw Patrol, unload. We need to find out what the Wonder Pets need. Paw Patrol, we've got a lost animal and we need your help. Ruff, ruff. What can we do? Come inside the school and we'll show you. Chase is on the case. We're headed inside the school. Paw Patrol, here we come. Suma. Sky. Chase. Rocky. Marshall. And Rubble.
Uh-oh, there's an animal in trouble. Let's go, team. Great job. An animal needs our help in the bell tower. Are you ready to save the day? This calls for some celery. An animal needs our help in the schoolhouse. Let's go, Wonder Pets. Great job. An animal needs our help in the tree.
As you can see, we need to help all these animals. Ruff, ruff, that is a lot of animals. We'll help you for sure. Paw Patrol is on a roll. Here we go.
To the flyboat, to the flyboat.
Ming Ming is all loaded up. It's time to go, Paw Patrol. Beep, beep. It's time for teamwork. Paw Patrol, hurry up. Oh, wow, we're at the jungle temple. We need to find all the lost animals and bring them back to the schoolhouse. Wonder Pets, I found the first animal, and I recognize it. This is the Catastrophe Crew kitten. I'll get it right away before it causes any trouble. Meow! Hey, where'd that kitten go? Oh, it's already causing trouble. Meow! Hey, there you are. Come back. Meow! No, kitty, I need to take you home. Meow! There you are. Kitty, I need to take you back to Mayor Humdinger. Meow! Oh, he's disappeared again. Sky, are you having any luck? I'm up here with Zuma, and we found another Catastrophe Crew kitten. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, it's disappeared. It fell through a trap door. Chase, do you see him down there? Marshall and Chase here. We found your Catastrophe Crew kitten. We'll try to get him down. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Meow! Sky, he's back up there. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Meow! Oh, he knocked me over. Come on, kitty. We need you to come home. Ruff, ruff. Oh, magic trap door. Got us again. Rocky, get off that trap door. You're gonna fall. Oh, no. Rocky, are you all right? Hey, where did Rocky go? He was looking for an animal up here, but I can't find him. Rocky, Zuma, are you okay? Down here. Wait, Rubble, you don't want to be on there. Everybody else already fell. Oh. I'm not getting on that trap door. I don't want to. Oh, whoops. Oh no, all the kitties are on the trap door. Hey, if they fall through the trap door, we can catch them and take them home. Woof, woof. That's a great idea. 1, 2, 3. Hey, the trap door didn't open. Here, kitties, scoot over. Let me see what's wrong with this trap door. Try it now, Rocky. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Well, I guess it's working now. 1, 2, 3. Catch those kitties. We've got the kitties surrounded. It's time to load up on the bus and take you home. Ming Ming, Tuck, and Linny here. Thank you for helping with these animals. It was our pleasure. We'll load them up and take them home. All right, kitties, it's time to load up. We're going to take you back to Foggy Bottom. But there's a secret to this bus. If you want it to go, you have to meow, please. Go ahead, meow, please. They didn't do it. Oh, no. They got tossed. Poor kitties. You've got to meow, please. With this bus, you have to be polite. All right, mischievous kitties. Time to say please. Poor kitties. They're never going to learn to say please. Let's try it one more time. All right, little kitties, let's go home to Mayor Humdinger. Just meow, please. Meow. Chugga chugga, here it goes. And the little kitties are going home. But I just wanted to share these cool toys with you. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.